All right, so we are literally on our way out of the field. We are getting ready to leave, and I just came across Alrighty, so there's Brian here. We're at a new site where Brian killed it here. Russ is way over there. Got what looks like a really nice hammerstone right down here. See the wear already on the end. I don't know if it's whole or broken. No, it's whole. Look at that. Love that when it's got that wear on it. Very cool. One on that side, one on that tip. Great tool. It's what they use to actually make points with. Oh, that's a real nice hammerstone. You see the flat side on it? I'd still keep it. What you got?
Yeah, so I don't know if it's a big flake. See how it's got a little bit of shape to it.
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and pull it and see. No.
Yeah, just a big chunk. Has a good shape to it.
Oh. All right, so that was a big chunky chunk, but I think Russ got one now. Nice point right there.
Looks like
wind
on it, yeah.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Let's go. Russ is on it today. All right, we got something interesting here. Sticking up out of the ground. Yeah, let's look and see what we got. Oh, sweet. Nice. Little broken base, but I ain't making brokes no more either. Sweet. Way to go.
Yeah,
Russ is just killing it.
Multicolored.
You can see the ground. It's kind of hard to hunt, but you got another nutting stone. You got two orange spots there and there. So we're on a new spot. We'll see what we can do. All right, so we are literally on our way out of the field. We are getting ready to leave, and I just came across, I think, a perfect smoker here. Look at that big triangle. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh, that is freaking awesome. Wow. There we go. Keep looking until the end. All right, say goodbye, Russ.
Goodbye.
All right, well, we had a good weekend here, and we actually came down to do some digging and metal detecting, and we ended up hunting Native American stuff all weekend. And so today, Russ stole the show. He had the finds of the day. And so unfortunately, he was usually on the other side of the field, and I didn't get him on camera. Not everything, but some of his stuff. But I'm gonna show it to you now, what we ended up with for the day. Here's a couple of those hammerstones, and the one that you saw earlier, actually we left it in the back of my brother's truck. So I'll get that back from him. Not sure what that is. It looks like it's definitely polished, maybe part of a broken celt or something. I don't know. It's interesting enough to keep. So here's his points for the day. You saw that one. You didn't see that one. You saw that one. And you didn't see these, and this one was awesome. Great point. And then there's that nice point that I found today as well. So anyway, it was a nice day overall, and we appreciate you guys coming along with us for Saving History. I'm SCdigger.
I'm talking about that.
See ya.